Hello guys, kamusta kayong lahat? Nandito ako ngayon sa Xinjiang, another city ng Guangdong guys, and this is far from Shenzhen which I live. So temporarily nandito ako for vacation guys dahil wala nang klase sa Hong Kong. So dito kami every time na nag-holiday, so dito kami nag-spend sa China guys. And today is nag-decide ang amo ko na mamasyal kami dito sa dagat. So ayun nga guys, super happy, and ang ganda ng place guys, and timing yung pagpunta namin kasi very low tide. So na-experience ko yung magpunta doon sa gitna ng dagat guys para manguha ng shell. So dito i-share ko sa inyo guys yung makikita namin dito sa gitna ng dagat guys as very low tide here.
Guys, today is a very low tide, and see?
These worms.
Yeah, no, it's not a worm, it's the shell. See, it's a shell.
Oh,
yeah. And look guys, napaka. Yeah, and this one is you know, seaweeds. I don't know, mga lumot. Ayan guys, and look at the bridge all over guys. Ayun yung pinaka ano guys, oh, yun yung pinaka seaside. Pero nandito kami ngayon sa gitna ng dagat dahil napaka low tide. Ayan. So, ang sarap sa feeling guys. So, pupunta pa kami doon sa unahan. Grabe, grabe talaga ang taas ay ang napaka-low tide niya guys. So, ayan. Ay, sana makakuha kami ng ng mga oyster. Do you know what is oyster, right? Oyster. Yeah. Yes. Paghahanap kami dito ng mga shells, baka may pang-ulam. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh, this is still a shell. Yeah. Ang ganda guys. Ang daming mga maliliit na shells. I think nakakuha na yung mga tao. Yeah, ay! Let me see. Yeah, I know, but what's this? Oh, this is just you know. Ay! Listen! Marami na rin nakuha yung mga tao dito. Siguro marami na sila nakuhang mga iba't ibang uri ng shells. See? Yan guys, so oh, this, look at this. Look at this. What's this? What's this? Okay. Yeah. Sa sobrang init guys, sinipon ako. Oh, what's this case? Look at this case. Well, I think this is I don't know the name of this shell. Oyster? Is this the oyster? But it's empty. No, it's empty. I saw it. It's empty.
How do you know?
I saw it. Yan, daming lumot guys. Oh. Kates. Ayun, maraming bird, Kisan. Do you see the bird? Let's go closer there. I hope we can catch some. Part pa rin ito ng Guangdong. No, don't throw away that. Just hand it to me. Just hand it to me. Thank you. Okay, you can enjoy. So, ayan guys, kasama ko yung mga alaga ko. Ayan. And like I said, it's very low tide. Nandito na kami halos sa kalagitnaan ng dagat guys. As you can see, ayun yung bridge nila guys. Oh, ayun. Yun yung bridge nila. And makikita nyo guys, ayun nandun sa yung seashore sa yung white sand. Hey! So, andito kami sa gitna guys. Super babaw ng tubig. And nag-i-enjoy yung mga tao dito, yung mga local, yung mga Chinese local guys. Nag-i-enjoy sila ngayon dito. Give to me that one. Oh yeah, shells.
Oh, I want to keep it. How do I keep it?
No, I mean this one, the hat. Here. Put it here inside. Wait. Ayan guys. Nag-i-enjoy yung mga alaga. Wait, what's that? Let me see. inside. Yeah, everything we collect. So ito yung dagat dito, guys. Yeah. Kisan is there. Ay, careful, slowly. No need. That's in. It's okay, Kate. No need. Do you want to collect?
Yes, I want to collect.
Okay. Okay. Ay, slowly, Kate, because the baby. Ay, coming. Oh my God. You found something? Oh, okay. Where?
Wait.
Just sure.
Can we cook this?
No. Just put inside. So, ayan nga, guys. Medyo mahangin na siya. Ayan. First time kong naka-try ng ganito, ka-explore ng ganito, yung super low tide siya, and then halos nandito na kami sa kalagitnaan ng dagat, guys. Ayan, guys, oh, yung bridge nila. Ayan, halos malapit na sa amin. Yeah, so cute. Yeah, ayan na, super ano na. Malakas na yung hangin.
So here guys, I take the moment para mag solo because I really in love sa sunset, guys. So especially pag nasa ganito ako mga place, or like this is my surrounding, my scenery na experience ko, I really grab the chance to have memories, guys.
Raise your hand.
And for those who don't understand the feelings of this moment, guys, I can tell you that it's very worth. And one day, especially me, I really love taking a video or documenting my life when there's a time, because I wanted to keep the memories, especially when the times comes or when I get old, and when I looking back these memories, I think it's a beautiful feeling and very worth to keep. Yeah. And ayan, guys, yung mga alaga ko, one day pag napanood nila to or mapapanood nila tong video nila, especially pag malalaki na sila, I know na magiging grateful din sila na nakuhanan ko sila ng video. So ayan, guys, super happy talaga sila. And I grab the chance na i-document ang kanilang moments too. So ayan, guys, they are playing under the sunset. So ang sarap-sarap sa feeling na ganyan, guys. And time check, that is around 5 o'clock, guys.
Yeah, dead crab.
Oh, it's moving.
No, it's not.
It's not dead. Look at that.
Let me see.
It's not dead.
Wait, wait. No, no, no. Oh yes, it's alive. No, it's dead. See? Look at the body.
Maybe
Maybe there's a shell under there. Ay.
message mom to buy her sugar. Oh, it's so far away.
Bumabalik na yung tubig sa dalampasigan, guys. Oh. Ayan, bumabalik na.
So yan nga guys, nag-prepare na ako na bumalik doon sa aming pwesto kasi nandun si Amo naghihintay. And thankful for this day guys dahil na-experience ko itong manguha ng shells and tumayo dito sa seafloor ng dagat while it's low tide guys. So for me, it's a privilege, you know guys, na ganito pala yung dagat pag walang tubig. Ayan guys, so thank you so much for watching my video guys. But before that, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung place kung saan manonood kami ng car show.
Car show. Ayan. Yeah, this is Transformers Bumblebee.
So thank you so much guys sa aking mga followers and subscribers. Thank you so much once again for tuning in to my channel. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.